Hello, this is my demonstration for the major project that is a tilt sensor. And here is a tilt sensor. And whenever you tilt it to the left or right, it makes a sound and a light. Right, left. Also, whenever you tilt it, there is a live plot that shows if it goes to the left or to the right. Left, neutral, and to the right. The way this sensor works is that we have these two light cups here. One of them has a drop of mercury, which whenever it moves, it it completes the circuit and sends a voltage to the groove board. The whole code is it's a while loop that has if statements that whenever there is a signal coming from one of these sensors, it sends voltage to the active buzzer and to the LEDs. Now I'm going to be showing you how to build a tilt sensor. You're going to need a groove board, a breadboard, two tilt sensors, an active buzzer, and jump wires. So we start by putting one of the tilt sensors in one of the sides of the breadboard. We take a jump wire and we plug it in on the left side, that is the ground pin, and we connect it to the ground part of the breadboard. We take another jump wire, we put it on the one that is besides that one, that is the power one, and we put it on the power one on the breadboard. We take a longer jump wire and we put it besides that one, that is the signal one, and we leave it and we connected it to pin number 8. Now we take another longer jump wire and we put it in the final pin, that is the one for the LED, and we put it on pin number 7 here. And now we repeat the same process for the other light cup, but these times the pins we're gonna put it are in number 11 and 12. Here, this is the LED one, we put it in pin 11, and the signal one we put it in pin 12. Now all we need to do is we take a jump wire, let's take a longer one, and connect it from the negative part to the ground here on the groove board, that it's here. And we do the same for the power one. And let's not forget about the buzzer. The longer road is the positive part and the shorter one is the negative one. So we put it here. We take a jump wire and from the negative part we put it on the negative part on the breadboard too, the same one. And for the positive one, we take it and we plug it in pin D5 here. Now all you need to do is connect it with the power cable to the laptop, and you will have your tilt sensor. You can also use female to male jump wires like these ones to connect it to the end of these jump wires to extend the range of the tilt sensor. For the software part, first of all, we declare our board here. Now we want to create a figure because we're going to live plot the output of the sensors. It's going to be an animated line. We set the signal to be 0, so that will be the base. And this stop and start time are for the while loop here. This while loop is constantly checking the state of these if statements, these conditional statements. These D8 and D12 are the signal pins of the light cups, and if it equals to 1, it will turn on the LED and the active buzzer will make a sound. And if it equals to 0, it will turn it off. And this will constantly check the state of these ones. And to finish the whole loop, to finish the code, we will need to press D6 to do it. Now, let's start the code so you will see the live plot. We run it. We wait for a little bit until it appears the figure. And there it is, starts at 0. And if we tilt to the left, we tilt to the right, left, right. And if we want to finish the program, all we need to do is just press the bottom D6 and it finishes. Thank you very much. This was my major project, the tilt sensor.